Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is The Great Tay, and for today's video, I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how I achieved this cute hairstyle. Stay tuned. So you guys, this is what my hair looks like after washing. It's still a little bit wet, but trust me, the shrinkage, it is real. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna add some heat to my hair to get it to stretch a little bit because it's just easier to manage. So I'm just gonna part my hair out in small sections, add some water to it, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Now I know heat, it's not, it's not the best for your hair, but listen, man, I am cheating today. Like, I can't work with my hair like this. I have to add some heat and get it to like soften up a little bit. That's just what's gonna work for me today. So that's what I'm doing for my entire head. I'm just gonna part very small sections out, add water, comb through, and then I'm gonna add some heat with the blow dryer. And listen, you see that? Do you see that? Oh my god, like the shrinkage, it is real. Okay, like this is what they call black girl magic. Like our hair, it's just amazing. When our hair, it's wet, it shrinks, and then you add heat, it's straightened, it gets longer. Like, amazing. So I'm just blow drying my hair. I did add some castor oil to my hair, my Jamaican black castor oil. I never ever style my hair without it. Like, castor oil, it has so much great benefits actually. It's very good for hair growth, and if you have really thin hair, it's really good to thicken your hair as well. So let's just get to the hairstyle, you guys. So I'm gonna part a section at the back, and I'm using a rat tail comb. It's just easier to, when you're parting your hair at the back and stuff like that, it just helps to part the hair straight, because obviously we don't have eyes at the back of our heads, right? So when you have a rat tail comb, it's just easier. So yeah. And then I'm gonna part out a section in the middle. So initially what I wanted to do was to have like 2 cornrows at the front. So I was parting my hair at the front in the middle, and then after that I'm like, you know what, I don't think this is gonna work. So I just decided to put 4 cornrows at the front. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just parting my hair in 2, and I'm just putting a little zigzag thing at the front. So now I'm just putting 1/2 of my hair in a rubber band, kind of like to just get it out of the way there. So now I'm gonna part this section out going back, because what I'm gonna do, I am gonna cornrow my hair going back. So if you guys don't know how to cornrow, I do have a detailed video on that. I'll link it in the description bar below. Definitely check that out if you can't cornrow and you really want to learn how to cornrow. That video, it's very detailed. So definitely check that out, you guys. I guarantee that if you watch it, like after that, you'll be a pro. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just cornering my hair going back. Nothing special. I know some people, they think it's like really hard to cornrow, but trust me, it's easier than what you think it is. Okay, it's really easy. It's not that hard. It's not the neatest there, but hey, what the heck, it doesn't really matter, because we're gonna be putting our little hair accessories and stuff over the cornrows, so don't worry, it's gonna look good. Okay, don't worry about it, sweetheart. So now I'm gonna do the next section, and I'm gonna cornrow that section going back as well. So you guys, just to, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just feel free to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And also you guys, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this hairdo. Let me know if this is something that you'll definitely try. Let me know if you have 4C hair. How do you care for your 4C hair? And let me know, if there's any other type of videos that you want to see with natural hair, or even with wigs or extensions or whatever. Like anything that has to do with hair, I can definitely do it, okay? So, and also you guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of my videos, okay? So as soon as a video is uploaded, you'll be notified. So don't forget to hit the notification bell. So here I'm just adding some Echo Styling Gel to my hair before I cornrow my hair. I didn't do it to the other side, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. Just wait until the end. It's gonna all make sense, okay? So I'm gonna cornrow this section going back as well. And let me tell you something, you guys. This hairdo, it's you can do this in less than 10 minutes, okay? You can do this in less than 10 minutes. So if it's after it's a wash day and you don't really know what to do with your hair, this is like a really quick hairstyle, and it's really stylish at the same time. So yeah, I definitely recommend this hairdo on your wash day. So this is my last cornrow, you guys, and I'm just working my way to the back of my head. So now you guys, I'm just adding a little bit of Echo Styling Gel to the back of my hair. Yes, I know may look a little bit crazy at the back, but it's okay, because all that at the back, it's not really gonna show. It's not gonna show because I'm gonna cover it with, it's gonna be covered with the ponytail, okay? So it doesn't really matter if the part is straight, it doesn't matter. So now I'm just adding some Echo Styling Gel to my edges, just to kind of like slay my baby hair kind of thing. So this is the ponytail that I'll be working with, you guys. I actually made this ponytail from scratch. So I'll leave the video. I actually do have this video on my channel. So I'll link this video in the description below if you want to know how I made this ponytail. It's really easy to make. I used the Free Stress Wand Curl Short Braid. It's a crochet ponytail, and as I said, I did create this ponytail from scratch. So I'm just gonna install that ponytail to the back of my hair, and I already added my hair accessories off camera. So I'm just gonna, that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna tie my hair down. Now I'm gonna showing you guys how I untie my hair, and this is what it looks like, you guys. This is what it looks like. So let me know if this is something that you would try. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.